So we might as well talk about this little flashing invalid items thing down here. If we were going to go, and if you put your mouse over it, it'll obviously tell you what it's trying to indicate. If you go to an all calibrate screen, this icon here will filter and show all invalid items. So invalid items are something that the value isn't usable in the software, or it's like a divide by zero. So for example, on this inlet cam bank 2 actuator, it wants some kind of a reference voltage. If you go to type a number in there, it'll give you a minimum and a maximum. It's like I can't put 1 volt because it's not allowed. If I put 5, that makes that value not invalid any longer. If I go to put the maximum duty cycle in here, it's between 60 and 100. I could just type 100. And if I go to type a frequency number here, it wants it somewhere between 50 and 500. So in this case, type in 50. Now you'll notice that all of the invalid values are gone from the bottom of the screen now. It's no longer flashing. And if I uncheck the filter for invalid items only, we go back to seeing the whole list of everything that you can see in the entire ECU in the all calibrate screen.